Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel, welcome to the WL Toys 104001. And more importantly, this is the reinforcement kit from Makerfire, and it's designed to stop that awful flex. But will it help? Let's see. Okay, so shell off, that's nice and easy. Let me show you what the problem is for those that do not know. If I line this up correctly, keep an eye on this. I'll move this down slightly so that you can see it nice and easily. Watch this. Wah, wah. See how the whole car is flexing. Now, some flex is needed, we all know that, but not to that degree. Now this kit is for those that are not willing on changing the whole chassis to that 5mm carbon fibre one that I fitted the other week. So let's see what is in the bag. Okay, 2 screws to start with, bolts, put that over there. We have, oh, the very important spacers. These are for the front. I will show you how those go on. And we have the kit. Very nice touch, Makerfire. Take a look at that. Well, I say nice touch. Is that worn off or? I'm not sure. Booyah! There we go. Right, so let's get the car back in. That's all the bits over there. So shall we do the right, okay, brain just trying to figure out what's going on. Now I don't have my cover on here, just keep that in mind if you're going to be fitting this kit. The reason that I don't have my cover here right now is because I took it off to do a video on the pinion and I lost a few bits. Don't tell anyone. Alright, so that's the reason why that is not there. But it shouldn't make any difference to just testing this kit out quickly. Do you know what? It is going to make a difference because this is not going to be raised up to the right amount. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. The bit that's missing is the underside of this cover. But as you can see, it sits perfectly fine without that for now. So I can continue with the video. So you would have to undo these 2 screws here, like so. This sits like that on top, and this is what the spacers are for at the front. So you feed that through. Does that have thread on it? It looks like it does. So thread that through, tighten it up. There. Same thing on this one. Nice. Now a quick update. The ones that WL Toys have sent, that Makerfire have sent with the kit are plastic. I'm not going to be using them because when I just attempted to, it snapped. And what's the point of having a reinforcement plate with plastic bolt screws? So I've just replaced them with the metal version, as you can tell. I've just tried to screw it in to make sure it all fits, which it does. And then the screws, the 4 screws here, or bolt screws there, I've just found slightly longer ones because they need to go through the carbon fibre plate now as well. So feed them in like so, like what I've done. But what you need to do is as you're screwing them in, do a little bit that side, a little bit that side, a little bit that side, a little bit that side to keep everything level, or else you could in fact damage it. So That's why it's really, really tight. I have to continue though, don't I? I'm just using a flathead screwdriver because I can get more oomph on it. I don't want to chew the screws up anymore. I think I need to buy a new screwdriver set because mine's just getting a bit old and tired. There we go. Nice. Excellent. Right. Now make sure that I've got the longer ones of these. Do 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 do. Whoops. Nice. Right. Now, other end. The other end goes like so. Take those out. We're getting rid of those anyway because we're using the slightly longer ones. This gash here is for obviously the motor cooler. See the two screws back here? This one here, like so, and this one here, like so. These two need to come out. Up here. I'm going to be replacing those ones as well, so I need another two longer ones. I forgot I needed them for the rear as well. So this comes off for the minute. Well, no, actually that stays on and then it goes over the top, so ignore that. That's the slightly longer ones that I'm going to put in its place. So that goes like so. Get the slightly longer ones. And feed it in. All my drill bits are getting worn out. Ah! Right, so, ladies and gents. How weak is John? Can we see this way? No, I can't do it that without this here. There is no more flex. So there you go, ladies and gents. It is that simple to install this kit. As long as you get rid of the plastic bolts at the front. Seriously, WO Toys, can you swap those out for metal, please? WO Toys, make a fire! And obviously just get slightly longer ones for these ones here. I mean, you can see that these heads are not exactly similar, but it doesn't really matter. There you go. Anybody can fit this, and if it wasn't for all of my drill bits being a little bit tired, or screw bits being a little bit tired, it would be a lot easier as well. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you to Maker Fire for sending this kit to me. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye bye.